How's it, guys? Keeson here with a One Night Stand by Kekai Boyz Ukulele tutorial. So let's get into it. There's only 4 chords for this song. First one is G, second string, second fret, third string, third fret, fourth string, second fret. So it sounds like this. Alright? Second chord is you put your pointer finger on these bottom 3 strings and put your ring finger on the first string, fourth fret. Fourth fret. This is called B minor. And then C, you put your ring finger on this fourth string, third fret. And then D7, you just keep the C chord and put your middle finger on these top 3 strings, second fret. Alright, and the strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. And then you put some chunks into it. So down, up, chunk, up, chunk, down, up, chunk, up, chunk. Alright, now let's put it all together into sounds. Alright, so that's it. One Night Stand by the Kekai Boyz. Have a blessed day and see you guys later. Mahalos.